web. Check this out, you guys. We're in the middle of the woods. Oh, there it is. Don? Did he go back here? Oh, I get it.
Like Scott on Facebook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
Right?
Dude,
I think Abraham Lincoln.
don't even look over yet. Check this out. Oh, this is cool, Rob. Yeah, man. Oh, look, we're slippery as shit.
Even he ain't walking on this bridge. Fucking crazy. Got that iron, man.
Man, cuss.
Oh, YouTube is gonna find me for that.
Don't build stuff like this no more, man. Yeah. You guys check that out. Look. That one right there is gone. You can see the water. Totally gone. Some nice moss out here. Check that out. Water's flowing through there from all the rain. Really nice.
Look at that iron on the side. Yeah, right? Even he ain't walking on this bridge.
Dope, ain't it? It's really cool, guys. Check this out. Old shackles. I just showed you, man. They don't build stuff like this no more. Watch your step. Yeah, this is really cool, Rob.
Huh?
Nice little hidden gem, you know?
Right?
Dangerous as all hell.
Be careful.
But we're good.
I mean, it'd be better with no weeds so you could see. You had to come back in the winter and check it out.
Yeah.
That thing's probably ice.
Yeah,
It'd be
well,
like you
no.
could ice skate.
It had some
in
good
there.
moss on there, though. Did he? He might have. One of those guys. What do you think? Yeah? That's possible, right? Yeah, look, they just go right off into nowhere. There's a big park over there. There's a little canal that it goes over. Hey, what's that canal right there?
And you know, we
Now we get out of here. Yeah, that's a great picture right there. Crazy. There's a little canal down there. Wow. Cool. Thanks for coming and checking out my videos. Thanks for subscribing, man. I'm trying to get to 1,000. I want to get monetized because I got a lot of t-shirt ride deals, but I can't put them on there for sale until I get at least 1,000 subscribers. You guys know how it is. So, man, if you guys help me out, man, subscribe to me. And we're out here. I got my son with me. I'm gonna go check out some other cool places. Wait till you see this content we got today. I got some awesome stuff nobody's got, and we'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.